Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a fantastic autumn aura design using our new fall colors, Sweater Weather, Spicy Ginger, and Khaki. Let's go! First, I apply the base coat and the base powder. Next, I once again use the base coat and dip the nail into the peach blush color. This serves as the base color for the upcoming design. Now I apply a second layer of base coat and peach blush, and I repeat this step on all nails. To create the aura effect, I first apply a thin layer of base coat and dip a clean brush into the color. Next, I gently tap it over the nail so that the color is most intense in the center and gradually fades towards the edges. I let it air dry for a few seconds and then brush off the excess. I repeat this process on all nails using different aura colors. You can also mix them as you like. Now, I let all the nails cure with the activator and then seal them with 2 coats of top coat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Which aura colors would you choose for this design? Feel free to write your choices in the comments. Bye!